Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a extreme clean with me, starting with some Roomba action in the bedroom. Next, I am just gathering up some supplies in the bathroom to do some cleaning in there. I'm just gonna be wiping down the countertop, the mirror, sweeping the floor, and then mopping. I did end up putting some cleaner in the toilet as well, but I believe for the sake of being lazy, I never went back and actually scrubbed it, but this stuff does work really well if you just let it sit until the next time you need to go and flush. Now I'm just doing some Swiffer action in the hallway and into the bedroom. Michael was already asleep, which is why I did not take y'all in there with me. Now I have decided to be super extra and wipe down this giant TV stand. I believe for this I was just using some method cleaner and a towel, nothing special. Now onto the playroom. Oh my, here is where things get a little intense. So of course I do the basic cleanup, get everything, put up and put away and stuff, put down some carpet, refresher, let it sit, and then vacuum it up like I'm doing here. Next on my list of being extra was vacuuming up the cat perches, since those are in the same room as the playroom. And yes, I did go to the other room to get a lint roller to continue my pursuit of cleaning these cat perches. Now I am cleaning and about to fill up the sink so that I can use it to bleach soak some of the plastic toys that we have. Now I'm just running through the house, finding all of said plastic toys to put in the sink to soak. they have soaked for a little bit. I am just cleaning them off, giving them a little bit of a scrub, making sure that there's not any actual bleach residue on them or anything before laying them out to dry. Alright, so now that everything has been disinfected, I am just wrapping up the night by going around with the Swiffer, making sure I didn't, miss any spots around the playroom before calling it a night. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.